Hello and welcome back to the course on MetaTrader 4. In the previous tutorial, we talked about the stop loss and we learned how to set a stop loss for our orders. And in today's tutorial, we'll talk about the take profit. Now, the take profit is an important feature of MetaTrader 4. It's probably not as important as the stop loss because in the first place, you have to worry about limiting your losses and then only you should worry about your profits. But at the same time, the take profit is a very useful feature and it's good to know how to use it in MetaTrader 4. So let's go ahead and find out. I'm going to use this chart for a change, American dollar, Japanese yen. And so what we're going to do to start off with, we're going to go to properties and we're going to show the ask line. Yeah, this is just so that we can see how the buy orders are open at the ask price. This has nothing to do with take profit, but I just thought it would be interesting for us to see that as well. Click OK. You can't see the ask line here because this is the 4-hourly time frame, so we are like the movements here are quite high in pips and the spread is very low, so you have to go to a lower time frame. So there you can see the ask price. So even if we go to M1 for instance, you'll see it even better. And let's zoom in and maybe squeeze this down a bit. So actually, let's just zoom out. Yeah, that'll be fine. So there's our chart. Maybe let's get rid of this indicator. All you have to do is right click somewhere on the indicator and say delete indicator window. All right, so we're going to open a buy order and we're going to set a take profit. And take profit for a buy order is set above the order, so somewhere here. And that is your level that you're aiming for. You want the order to get there for the take profit to be triggered for you to earn the profit. So basically your order will be closed automatically. Similar to a stop loss, similar concept, but it's more favorable because it earns your profit. So let's go ahead and do that. New order. We're going to create a buy order with volume 0.1. Stop loss we want to set at 120.500. 500, yeah, 120.500. As you can see, by the way, the quotation for Japanese yen currency pairs are different, so they don't have 5 decimal points, they only have 3 decimal points behind them, and that's because that's how Japanese yen currency pairs are quoted. So just keep that in account. Oh, actually, this is not the stop loss. What am I doing? This is, let's just cancel. So that happens when you mix them up. So that happens. Just cancel it and do it again. 120.500. Take profit. Comment. Take profit testing. And we're going to buy by market. There you go. So what do we see here? So you can see the green line. That's okay. Lots of things. Green line. That's where the order was set. Now look down here. Look down here. You can see that the take profit is green. That's because the price. The price is very close to the take profit, and that means your order is signaling you that the order is about to be closed. The take profit, you might be, it might actually close just now. And so now what we wanted to look at. So the ask price. So this green line is where the order was opened, right? The red line is where your take profit is set. Now the red line, this moving, oops, should have done that. Too early for that. This red line over here, the solid red line, is the ask price, and as you can see, the buy order was opened at the ask price, so that's important to remember. But it will only be closed at the bid price. So even if the ask price goes over your take profit, nothing will happen. You see, nothing happens. Your order is still open. The bid price has to get to your take profit level. And once again, that's what we discussed in the previous tutorial about spread and so on. So that's the spread between the two. You're always in the unfavorable position. You're always your order is always opened for a buy order. It's opened at the higher price, at the ask price, which is the red one, but it will only be closed at the white one. So basically, your order has to not only get from here to here, but also has to cover this distance of the spread. I hope that's a good explanation of spread. For me, it really clicks like that and really makes sense when I see this happening, and I'm like, oh, okay, so yeah, that's how the spread works. always reminds me that I gotta pay the unfavorable price, and that's how the forex market works. That's normal. All right, so hopefully maybe we'll see this order close at take profit, but we already saw how it's green over here at the bottom, so that's a good thing that we already saw that. Okay, so what can we do now? Well, let's go ahead and open another order, right? So let's open another order for, we can even open another order for the same currency pair, just for argument's sake. Let's open a sell order and set a take profit for that sell order. All right, so maybe you might zoom in this time. Okay, so there we go. So that's our buy order up there at the top. Now we're going to open a sell order, and we're going to set a take profit for that sell order as well. So let's go ahead, new order. We want to create a sell order somewhere here, right, at market price, and we'll set the take profit at 120.426. 120.426, and we say take profit testing 2 and sell by market. There we go. As you can see, the sell order this time was open at the bid price, not at the ask price, at the bid price, and now the take profit will only be triggered when the ask price gets to the take profit. So, and that's how the sell orders are closed. Once again, you can see that the sell order take profit is in green, and that is because we are very close to the actual price. All right, so we'll leave these orders for now, and inevitably one of them will be closed at take profit because as you can see, we've created a hedge. So whichever way the price goes, if it goes up, one order is earning money, the other one is losing money. And if the price goes down, then the opposite happens. So basically, we're kind of like neutral to the market right now, and inevitably the price will either go through the top, through the bottom, and one of these orders will be closed, and we will see that hopefully in the next tutorial. We'll see the result, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy trading.